What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And we are getting our full dose of fall Pacific Northwest weather. We took a trip to the beach the other day and we thought it was going to be nice out. The weather had other plans.
By the time we got there, it was pouring, the wind was blowing, it was cold, but we still got out there, we explored a bit.
Yeah, we made the best of what we had, and it was a beautiful beach, so we had some fun exploring.
So basically, we're maximizing any nice day we can because we've been inside a lot.
So we are ready for a nice easy meal today, and I'm going to be making garlic Parmesan chicken skewers.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
First thing we got to do is season our chicken. I've got about 2.5 pounds of cubed chicken breasts here. Our first seasoning is Blackstone's chicken griddle seasoning. You know what? We're gonna take the cap off. There we go. Next we have some garlic powder. Got some paprika. One of our favorite seasonings from the South, a little slap ya mama. Some black pepper. And a good amount of grated Parmesan cheese. Give this a good mix. And to keep our chicken nice and moist, we're going to throw a big spoon of mayonnaise in. Now it's time to build our skewers. I've got these nice long bamboo skewers, so we're just going to fill them up with some chicken chunks. Building the skewers is actually the longest and hardest part of this recipe. All right, I've got our 22-inch Blackstone set to medium heat. I'm just going to get a little olive oil down. Spread it out and getting our skewers down.
I feel like it's been a while since we made some sort of skewer kebab, but this smells delicious and, like you said, so easy.
It is time to create our garlic butter. So I've got a full stick of salted butter here that is softened. I'm gonna add some freshly minced garlic to it. Quite a bit. Parmesan, grated Parmesan cheese, quite a bit, and some parsley. And then we're just gonna mash that all together. All right, I believe it's about time to turn our skewers. They smell absolutely amazing. Oh yeah. That is
golden delicious.
Perfection right there. Oh yeah, all right. All right, now that we've got them flipped, we're gonna baste them with our garlic butter. Make sure we get it all down in between each piece.
I mean, I really feel like this is kind of a crowd pleaser.
All right, I think our chicken is just about ready. I'm gonna give it one more quick flip and hit them with some more of that garlic butter to finish them off.
Gosh, Spencer, these look incredible.
Hope you like garlic, baby.
I do. You know, we're in Washington. This is apparently, where the Twilight vampire movies
well, I just learned
were made. So the more garlic, the better. Keep those vampires away.
Super garlicky.
Oh yeah.
I'm ready for this.
I am too. This
Butter,
smells amazing.
Garlic, Parmesan.
It looks fantastic.
All right, let's get in here. Yep.
It's so good.
It tastes as good as it looks. I think the thing I like the most is that the Parmesan crisped up on the griddle gives it a little crust on the outside of the chicken. It's so good.
And the chicken is like you just cooked it to perfection.
It's super tender.
Yeah, absolutely great.
This is one you should try. If you like garlic and you like Parmesan.
And you like chicken.
And you like chicken. You should put them all together, just like we did here. Thank you guys for watching. We always appreciate you tuning in. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Betty, Bruce, Matt, Todd, CJ, Nate, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.